Hey, Maida. You are much cooler than me. Much cool. You are much cooler than me. Hey, Maida. I don't like this, nor this. Will you marry me? Will you marry me? Marry me? Hey, Maida. Can you lend a hand? I gotta grab the whole box. You can't lend a hand? No? She's not gonna lend a hand. Sigh. Alexa, you just woke up. ¿Estás maruda? ¿Maruda? ¿Estás maruda? ¿Maruda? No, you're not. You always wake up happy. No, you're not. Alexa, you know what your mama said when she first saw me? He'll marry me. He'll marry me. Maida, it stinks. Did you fart again? Hey, Maida, don't you sometimes just want to sell Jay? You know, when he gets moody and stuff? Don't you want to sell Jay? Hey, Jaden, look, it's my sister. It's Reba. It's Reba.
That's not your sister.
Yeah, that's Reba. Alexa, why are you crying? Did you just fart? Did you just fart? I think she farted. Why are you smiling if it was terrible?
Because it's so time.
I've been doing this all day. We're only on the top floor. We got 2 more floors, yo. Hey, J-Man, do you think we could afford a kitchen like this?
Yeah. Hey, where's the measuring?
I'd say we can eventually.
Where's the measuring thing? Maybe before we move.
Eventually.
Yeah.
Alexa, do you like the smell of these candles? You like the smell of these candles? I think they're pretty good. You said some are, some aren't? Some are, some aren't good? Yeah, I think some are good. So, do you want to get some more candles to lug around? Want to get some more candles to lug around? No? Okay. No, let Joe. Let Joe. Let Joe of it. Thank you. Hey, Alexa, when I get you a bike, should I get you one of these? A bike lock? No, it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. The key and everything. Yeah, no. No, I don't want no scub. Scub is a thing that hangs in our closet. Yeah. Hey, man.
What?
Check it out. That's your cousin Omar.
Oh, we got one.
It's your cousin Omar. Man, it is stinky. There must be some kind of a... There's some kind of a bad aroma over here. Hey, Alexa. You know, every once in a while, you're going to think that I'm an asshole. But I'm not an asshole. I just care about you, okay? Yeah? Yeah, I'm not an asshole.